Okay, guys, so what do you want for dinner? A dinner. So, okay. Pizza. Okay, which one? Which? Okay. Let me make some pizza. Well, no, you can have it as a dessert. I call chocolate. So instead you wanted pizza for dessert. I'll go vanilla. Okay, so let's garnish it. Okay. For now, you can eat a snack while I cook it. Right, okay, for now you can cook a snack while now you can eat a snack while I cook it. If you eat ice cream before dinner, your teeth might fall out. My teeth didn't fall out. I know, not as soon as you eat it. As soon as you eat it, enough will. Yes. Okay, so, alright, it's late, get ready for bed. No reason. Go brush your teeth and shower downstairs. I think your brother. I'm taking it in to my room. No. I mean, okay, sweetie. Okay, sweetie. Okay. I'm sleeping. I'm in my room with my gaming computer and everything. Let me just go shower and stuff downstairs. I think the kids are hugging the upstairs. I'm just gonna do this all downstairs. I have to cut off the lights and stuff after, so I might as well just shower downstairs. All ready for night time. Let me just turn off these lights. The downstairs leads all the way to the upstairs, so there shouldn't be no problems. Sleep now. Sleep please. Sleep please. Sleep please. And just go in my room. Oh well. He's called us room. But no electricity electronics at bedtime. No electronics at bedtime. It's one in the morning. It's 1 in the morning. Look, they're just super bad sometimes. Which room do I want to sleep in? I'm gonna sleep in this room, I'm guessing. No, I'm gonna sleep in the purple room. The purple room is pretty. Pretty neat. Let's see. Is she sleeping in here? No, she's not. That's good. Let's see. Let me go make sure this boy is not awake. Boy! No electronics past bedtime. Electronics past bedtime. I'm gonna take this computer. Takes computer. Ugh, she's just so bad. Let me just put this up. Put computer in high place. This computer in high place. Alright, now let's close this door. Night night, sleep tight. Now let me make some breakfast. What is she doing out at on the porch this late? What are you doing on the porch this late? Oh, she's sleeping. I might as well make dinner since she can't breakfast. Let me just put up this. Wait, what? Do you sleepwalk, sweetie? Do you sleepwalk? Oh. What do you guys want for breakfast? I know you guys want some coffee. You're gonna try to sneak some coffee, but you can't have pop. No. Pancakes? Pancakes? The kid's been yelling at me, telling me to make bacon. So it looks like I'm making bacon and eggs for breakfast because the kids has been spamming me with tomorrow. I know, it's turning car 10. I know, you're turning 10. Now that's my satisfaction. Smells food. Yum. Yum. What's the tea? Yep. That's not fair. I'm sorry, you guys were born at different times. I'm sorry you guys were born at different times. Like, that's not my... Don't mess with your brother. I'm older than you. Don't kick your sister. Don't kick your sister. Don't, boy, if you don't do it. Don't do it. Y'all didn't eat y'all bacon. Didn't eat your bacon. Bacon. Y'all didn't eat y'all bacon. Eat your bacon. Boy, get down here and eat. Boy, get down here. Here and eat. You was begging for me to cook bacon. You better let my food go to waste. Come back down here. Come back down here. Where you at? Boy, come here. Great, you better be glad someone's knocking down at the door. Because if not, I wouldn't have... Oh, that was someone knocking. Mom, no, Mom. I said what I said. Yes. I I said yes. Girl, go get your weave. Girl. Where my belt? Where my belt? Let me get my belt. Let me go get my belt. Hitting me. Grab the belt. I'ma whoop that tail. I'ma whoop that. Where you at? Where you at? Boy, when I say do something, you do it. Where he went? Where he went?